What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Yeah, man. I was just walking in the street, and I tripped over a freaking rock. It just dropped.
Broke the screen?
Tried to take it to Apple, they were charging me like $400, $500. I was not having that, so, I came here for a better price. And, yeah.
Don't worry. I got you.
Good luck, man.
Come here, baby girl. Time to cook this. Surgery time. One more time, laser. Cleaning time. Glue time. We're gonna clean this broken glasses inside the phone. We're gonna apply this one. Your phone is ready, sir.
Oh my God, bro. Sheesh. That looks so clean. God, Lord, bro. Wow. To how it looked before, looks way better now. Oh my God. What the heck?
Looking
What
good?
you do?
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last.